So as you can see, I've sent multiple WhatsApp messages to all my leads whose detail I had in this spreadsheet. And do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and doing this manually? No, I have simply built this automation to do this. Just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. For that, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect where you can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. But first, let's see how this automation can be created. For that, this is the dashboard. Just come over here, click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. Just enter use case right over here, like I want to send WhatsApp message to all the leads whose details I have in my sheets. So I'm just going to type sheets to WhatsApp, and over here I'm just going to use Pabbly chat flow. So I'm just going to type sheets to Pabbly chat flow. Or if you want to use any another application, you can mention the same like AI Sensi, Wati, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly supports all of them. You just have to choose the trigger right over here. You just have to choose the action. Your workflow will be created. Click on this approve and create. And yes, your workflow is created. You just have to connect your applications and you're good to go. I'm just going to let you know how you can connect your Google Sheets first. So just open your Google Sheets. You're going to find the webhook URL. Just copy this. Click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and just open your Google Sheets. Go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Simply add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Go on the search apps, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and add this extension right over here. Once you install this extension, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then initial setup. If you do not see this option, just refresh your spreadsheet and you're going to see this option. For the webhook URL, just enter the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the trigger column. Over here for me, the trigger column is D, so I've mentioned the same. You have to enter the trigger column according to your own spreadsheet and just click on this submit and it is saying setup configured successfully. Click on this send test button and it is saying test data sent successfully. Over here, Pabbly is going to capture the response for the test data right over here, which is the first row of your spreadsheet. Once you receive this response, you are good to go. You can connect your Pabbly chat flow right over here, set up the WhatsApp message like this. You can see I've set it up all my WhatsApp message. Over here, enter the WhatsApp mobile number. Make sure to map this, put a slash, search for the WhatsApp mobile number of your lead and simply map it right over here. Then simply enter the WhatsApp message according to your own choice. Enter all the details. Click on the save and send test request button and your workflow will be created successfully. Apart from Pabbly chat flow, if you want to connect WhatsApp Cloud API or any another application, you can connect it directly over here. Now Google Sheets to WhatsApp connection is created, but right now we've only sent a single WhatsApp message, but we want to send it in bulk. For that, open your Google Sheets, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow and bulk WhatsApp messages will be sent to all the leads. Apart from that, if you want that whenever you enter the new lead details, automatically WhatsApp message should be sent to them too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, switch on this button which is send on event, and then whenever you're going to enter the new lead details, WhatsApp message will be sent towards them too. So go and try this amazing automation yourself and you have successfully learned how to do this in 3 minutes. If you want a detailed tutorial on this step by step, just comment detailed tutorial and I'll share the tutorial with you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like Pabbly Connect after trying this, don't forget RITYT is the special discount coupon code which can get you a very heavy discount. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. Go and try this today.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.